I'm Doug Busbee from Busbee's Trucks and Parts, and we specialize in selling Isuzus, Chevrolet W Series trucks and parts, and Hino and Mitsubishi and UD parts and trucks. And today I want to talk with you a little bit about safely loading and unloading a dump truck. And one of the most important things is know how much your truck can carry. And that can be achieved by looking in the door. And let's step around and show you where to find the GVW, of your truck. Most of them are found in the driver's door. If you look at the GVW, total GVW, front and rear axles, this is a loaded weight, is 17,950 pounds for this truck. Now, what I want to talk with you about today is loading and unloading a dump truck safely. If you'll notice, this truck is small. It's not a large truck. It doesn't have tandem axles. It doesn't have great big tires. It's designed to haul a load of debris or brush or leaves or something like that. It's not designed to haul a lot of weight. You can haul a little bit of dirt and a little bit of rock, but this bed is way oversized for this truck. So one thing I want you to notice is the sides are 4 to 5 feet tall on this truck. So if you load this truck with dirt, it will be way overloaded. With rock, way overloaded. So keep in mind, this bed is designed to haul light stuff. And when you do load the truck, make sure you pull your tarp. Just a word to the wise, pull your tarp over your load so that it will not spill out and be a road hazard. Let's step around. I want to show you a couple things. If you're going to load heavy, if you're going to load this truck with some dirt or some rock, keep your load kind of centered over the back axle. You don't want to load it to the top all the way out, but just load it right in this area. You probably can't carry more than a couple scoops of dirt or rock, but they need to be right over that back axle right there. Let's step around the back. Next thing you want to do is keep your load centered in your truck. Centered this way, right in the center of the truck. If you look, you don't want your load off to the left or off to the right. If it is, it will cause driving, be unstable driving. It will also cause you a problem when you go to dump. One of the key things about unloading a dump truck is check. You don't want your truck leaning one way or the other this way. And one way you can simply do it is just know. This truck's sitting almost level where it is right here. That bubble needs to be in those lines in order to dump safely. If it's not, then you got a problem. It's all right. It's all right if the truck's leaning downhill or going uphill a little bit. That's okay. But you want the truck level this way. It's got to be level in order to safely dump. When you get up high, if it's unlevel, that load will shift to one side and pull the whole truck upside down. And let's look what happens to a truck when it's not loaded properly. You'll notice this truck either wasn't loaded properly or was loaded too heavy. You can overload a truck real easy. And these trucks are not designed to carry real heavy loads. They're great trucks, but they're just not designed to carry heavy loads. You see, this truck was loaded improperly and probably tried to dump, is my guess. And when he dumped, the load shifted. It was probably unlevel, and he pulled it right on over. So, just a word to the wise. Keep your truck centered, your load centered over the back axle, centered in the truck. Keep the truck level when you dump. Remember to cover your load, and don't try to carry too much. Better to make 2 trips than have a bad day like this fellow did. Thank you. Take care. Drive safe. From Busbee Trucks and Parts in Wagener, South Carolina.